3,
Here we go.
2, 1, begin.
This replacing the grand final. Gotta be say, that's pretty impressive. Still going without any issues. Going in through the side this time. I can see a lot of wires that could be plugged. Oh, there we go, some smoke. But it's still going.
Go on, finish him off. Finish him off.
Oh my goodness. Going in. Oh, it's right into electronics this time. Surely no. You're not quite hitting it. Oh, there we go. Oh, the lights are flickering, but it's still working. That is incredible stuff. This is quite the fight. Something is beeping. We're all very excited. This is quite the fight. This is the semi-final we wanted. He's done it! He's done it! He's cut through the actual electronics and turned off the robot. That was incredible.
Robot ears, stand by.
Very tense.
3, 2, 1, begin.
There we go. Vertical spinner, full speed there. There's the saw blade, he wants to wait. There we go, right into very thin list. And I think, and he's tapped, but it doesn't matter because the robot's been switched off. And we've got a lipo fire. Please make way for Craig to take the robot out onto the bench where it can smoke gently into the distance. There it goes. Excellent work. And of course, that means second place goes to Elliot, and your winner, Yannick Bristol! That's so cool.